Alistair and Bella, you're going to circle the beginning sounds or letter. Alistair, what is this? Christmas tree. Christmas tree. Oh, look, the Christmas tree. Christmas tree. Start with the letter. Oh no, this one. This one. Start with the letter C, R, or S. Which one? The letter C. Okay. Next. Hazen. Hazen, go to teacher. Hazen, what is this? Elf. Elf. Oh, start with the letter Elf. Elf. Hold on properly. Elf. E, G, or J? Elf. No. Hindi po ganyan. Circle po. Circle the letter E. Okay, good job, Hazen. Next. Bella. Bella. Look mo, what's this? Present. Start with the letter P. Circle. Go. Okay, good job, Bella. Next. Alistair. Alistair, what is this? Bell. Bell, start with the letter B. Bell. Okay, good job. Next. Next. Hazen. Hazen, look, who is this? Santa, good job. Oh, Santa, start with the letter S. Where's the letter S? Where? Look mo. S. Oh, circle mo po, circle. Okay, good job, Hazen. Next. Bella. Bella. Oh, what is this? Gingerbread. Gingerbread. Start with the letter G. Next, Alistair. Alistair. Who is this? It's a snowman. 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 Z, S, or B? Circle mo yung letter S. Go. Okay. Next. Next. Hazen. Hazen, what is this? Hot. Good job. Hot. Start with the letter A. Just circle mo. Okay. Good job. Good job, everyone.
Okay, Bella, Alistair, and Hazen. Oh, look, let's name the picture. Oh, look, what is this? It's a... Hazen, look, what is this, Hazen? Christmas tree. Okay, look, this is Christmas tree. Look, Bella and Alistair. Next. Oh, waiting hands, my teacher. Next. Socks. Okay, good job. How about this one? Who is this? Look, what's this? What's this? Waiting hands, Alistair. Santa. Santa. Oh, look, Santa. Oh, next one. Waiting hands. Okay, snowman. Good job. Oh, look, Bella, it's snowman. Alistair, wait, teacher, it's snowman. Look. Oh, next. Look at teacher Bella. Look. Bella, Hazen, look. Hazen, what is this? Christmas ball. Okay, Christmas ball. Oh, look, Alistair. Bella, look. I see her. Waiting hands po. Wait, teacher. Oh, last one is... How about this one? Oh, look, Hazen. Look at teacher. Look. Hazen, red. Oh, look, it's a red. Oh, you're going to look for the shadow of each picture. Oh, Hazen, where is the shadow of Christmas ball? Oh, go. Where do you put the Christmas ball? It's your turn. Alistair, wait for your turn. Hazen's turn. Okay, good job, Hazen. Waiting hands. Waiting hands. Sit properly. Next. Alistair, your turn. How about the red? Where is the shadow of the red? Go. Red. Okay, waiting hands. Wait for your turn. Oh, next one, Bella. How about the Christmas tree? Okay. Waiting hands. Christmas tree. Go, Bella. Bella, get. Bella, look. Get. Oh, where's this one? Where's the shadow of Christmas tree? Go. Your turn. Wait for your turn. Bella, look. Oh, put it here. Here. Put it properly. Okay, good job. Next one. Hazen, how about Santa? Where is the shadow of Santa? Alistair, wait for your turn. Go, Santa, look. Look at the shadows. Oh, where is the shadow of Santa? Okay, good job, Hazen. Next one, Alistair. Look, how about the snowman? Snowman. Okay, very good, snowman. And last one, Bella. Christmas. Christmas sock. Go, Bella. Bella's turn. Oh, go, Bella, Bella. Go. For your turn. Okay, good job. Oh, waiting hands. Okay, Hazen, Alistair, and Bella. Oh, look, we're going to make an art. Oh, what is this? It's a... Bella, look. It's... sorry, Hazen. This is... Christmas tree. Okay, you need to follow instruction, ah. Oh, first color. What is the first color? Color? Red. Oh, red.
Go inside. Go.
Red. Okay, Alistair, get the red. Where is the color red? Go. Red. Okay, I'll put it here. Put it here. Oh, where's the other one?
Use your both hands.
This one.
Use your both
Put, then push.
One.
Push. Okay, go push, Alistair. Push, push.
Next color,
Okay, good job. Oh, next color. What is the next color? Color? What color is this, Hazen?
Blue.
Color?
Color pink.
Pink. Okay, go. Where is the color pink? Get the pink. Pink. Put, then push. Oh, go. Put it here, Alistair. Alistair, color pink. Look. Pink. Pink. Okay,
Next
pink.
color.
Oh, come here. Hold blue, hold blue. Oh, go. Put it back
Go
here.
this way.
Oh, put it back here. Go, go, go.
Blue.
Pink. Oh, come here. Oh, go.
Okay,
Put
very
it
good.
natin.
Next
Oh,
one.
push. Push, push. Yo, it's okay. It's okay. Oh, later. Oh, go. Push. Okay, do not remove.
Good job.
Okay. Oh, good job. Oh, wait. Do not remove. Oh, next color. Orange. Where is the color orange? Orange. Go, Alistair.
Next,
Put
how
your
about the
color
star?
orange.
What's the star? Star. This one.
Orange.
Star.
Okay,
Good
orange.
job.
Put it
This is
properly.
star.
Wait, not yet. Put it properly muna yung orange. Alistair. Properly. Orange. Go. Orange. Push.
Very
Push.
Wow.
Push. Okay. Oh, wait. Push lang. Wait. Remove natin later. Put mo na. Put. Okay. Next. Yellow.
Go.
Next. Oh, wait, teacher. Color blue. Where's the color blue? Blue. Oh, go. Put here. Blue. Blue. Go. Okay. Good job. Ano sa'yo? Ano lang? Oh, slowly. Go. Go. One more. Blue. Here. Help teacher. Go. Oh, next color. Yellow. Go. Yellow. Oh, push natin. Push. Then, purple. Last color. Where's the color purple? Purple. Go, Alistair. Purple. Here, last one. Okay, purple. Okay, good job. Oh, next. Oh, look. Star. How about the star? Alistair, where do you put the star? Put it on top. Here. Okay, good job, everyone. Clap your hands. Yay!